How to download Cuphead on your device. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. Then on the searching bar, search for Steam. Then go to the official website of Steam. There you'll see store options. Simply tap on it and go to the searching bar icon on the right side. There search for Cuphead and hit on the searching icon. Then you will see Cuphead. Simply hit on the add to cart option and then select view my cart. If there are other games in your cart, then simply remove it. Then tap on continue to payment. You have to pay $8.19 to buy this Cuphead game. Once you complete your payment process, your Cuphead will be downloaded to your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.